Next, let's test the complete manual 3D. So yes, for manual 3D, you should have set up your pitches right. Oh, bogging, huh? We don't want you to bog, man. You know, doing manual 3D is kind of very challenging given this much wind. Yeah, pretty challenging to do some kind of 3D with this mild 3D capable helicopter. Well, I will not push it too much because it's a hot day. 3D does have some improvement. It is pretty stable given that I am flying in this much winds. So Flywing is constantly improving their algorithm, and this helicopter, people, is only getting better. Now, benefits of buying this helicopter: one, you get this, you can do 3D and normal scale flights, and two, you can put it on a scale fuselage of Airwolf and turn it into a beautiful Airwolf.